What's good everyone, my name is bboy and today I'm gonna show you 3 main turtle positions that every beginner should know. In the future, this ability, this knowledge will help you to change directions, create better transitions, and of course, to control your body. We're gonna start from the basic turtle on one hand and then on another hand. Your knees on the floor, you put your hands on the floor as well. Your forehead gonna touch the floor, not your cheeks, not your lips, your forehead. That's the basic turtle. On one hand, on another hand. Once you understood how to make it, try to change from one side to another without putting your knees on the floor. As you can see, in the moment of change, I don't take out my forehead from the floor, and I'm using my hips and moving them from one side to another while changing my hands. Number 2, from the turtle to the baby freeze. We're not gonna do it in that way as a lot of people used to do. I'm gonna explain you in a simple words. That position and that method to go to the baby freeze is simply cutting the main move of the transition, the main whip, the main hip change, the main turn, which in reality in the future playing huge role in many high-level moves. So when you start to learn your baby freeze from that position and skipping the main part from the turtle through the turn to the baby freeze, you're gonna miss a lot, and one day you're still gonna come back to these basics and you will have to learn it from the beginning. Okay, what we're gonna do is to stand to the basic turtle position and then try to turn our hips together with the legs and to put the knee that is more far away on the elbow that is in front. Take a look. Basic turtle, and from here I'm turning my hips together with my legs and I'm going to the baby freeze. What is really important in that position is that you pay attention on the line between your head, your neck, your body, your hips, and your legs. It's very important. There should be a straight line and you have to be as parallel to the floor as possible. And number 3 is the ability to change from one side baby freeze to other side baby freeze. So we need to do a nice transition without putting our legs, our knees on the floor. So we're standing in our baby freeze and now we need to change the side and the hand without putting our knees on the floor. We're opening, we're coming back to the turtle position. From here, changing our hands, making a step with the hands to the side, and now we're ready to go to other side baby freeze. Again, open, back to the turtle, change to the side, baby freeze. That's it for today, guys. Don't skip the basics, because one day you will have to come back to this and you're gonna waste way more time and efforts. Keep going.